Good evening. It had all the elements of a big city sting. An out-of-state man arrested inside a funeral home filled with undercover officers.
It happened in Conemaugh Township, Cambria County. Police say the man they arrested, nearly 30 years old, but he had every intention on meeting up with a 13-year-old girl that he met online. Maria Miller's working this story and has the latest tonight. Maria?
Marty, Jen, police say this wasn't the first time the two had planned to meet. Luckily, they say they were able to be involved when it happened. And they told me today that this girl is young. She really didn't know any better. She thought she was in love. And tonight, they urge parents to be aware. 27-year-old Jeffrey Sill is in the Cambria County Prison, 500 miles away from his home in South Carolina. And if he wants to go back, he'll have to put up $500,000. That's because he's facing several felony charges for allegedly having sexual communications with a 13-year-old girl in Conemaugh Township, brought to the attention of police by the girl's mother.
She had discovered some disturbing communication. They were Skyping back and forth, messaging back and forth with each other with some graphic sexual content.
And police say when Sill wanted to meet the girl over the weekend, they got involved and arranged a meeting at the Huntingdon Funeral Home on Frankstown Road. When Sill went inside, police said it wasn't the girl he was expecting, but rather Officer Christner dressed as a teen and plenty of other undercover officers from surrounding departments.
There really was no exchange. He pulled in and rather quickly realized that I was not who he thought he was going to meet, and he tried to beat feet out of the parking lot away from me.
But officers were waiting and arrested him. And inside his car, police say they found a loaded handgun and a knife. Fortunately, the girl wasn't harmed, and police are glad they could assist. But it's something they say is all too common, and parents need to be on high alert.
Just be proactive, be aware of what your kids are doing with technology, phones, computers.
You may think you know who you're talking to, but, and you may think that, you can meet up with him and everything, is going to go good, but I mean, this definitely had the potential of going very bad.
Police, of course, reminding anyone not to give out their personal information, their home address to anybody that they really don't know. And it's not always easy, but if police are saying that you should check in with your kids, have a talk with them, and make sure they know that you can trust them. Reporting live, Maria Miller, 6 News.
A Johnstown neighborhood on edge tonight after 2 incidents in which shots were fired, hitting houses and cars. Johnstown police investigated at least 8 shots that were fired in the 600 block of Park Avenue in the city's Moxham neighborhood Friday night. More shots rang out in that area Sunday night. Not clear the exact house that's being targeted, but some neighbors tell us they don't think the people responsible for the shooting even know, and the people who live here are concerned.
My son was about to go outside and take out the garbage right before the shots rang out. So any second later that he would have went and took that trash out, one of those bullets could have hit him.
If you've got information on who might be responsible, call Johnstown Police.
We're learning more tonight about a Huntingdon County attorney who has been suspended while the Attorney General's office investigates whether she has a license to practice law. Lauren Hensley has been working this story, and she's live with more. Lauren?
Jen, Kimberly Kitchen has been a lawyer at the BMZ law firm for nearly a decade, and now she's finding herself in the middle of a criminal investigation. The name Kimberly Kitchen outside of the BMZ law firm is now covered up. Kitchen has been working as an attorney at this Huntingdon law firm for nearly a decade and was promoted to partner in April. But now this attorney has found herself on the wrong side of the law. She is under investigation by the Attorney General's office amid questions about her license to practice. In a statement from the BMZ law firm, it says in part, sadly, it would appear that our firm was the last in a long line of professionals to have been deceived by Ms. Kitchen into believing she was licensed to practice law. 6 News called the Attorney Registration Office in Harrisburg, who said they have no record of Kimberly Kitchen. 6 News has confirmed with the district attorney that Kitchen says she received her law degree from Duquesne University. We called Duquesne, but its offices are closed until after the new year. To read that full statement coming from the BMZ law firm, head over to our website, WJACTV.com. We'll have that for you over there. Reporting live in the Center County Newsroom, Lauren Hensley, 6 News.